This is a Lamborghini Countach, or at least it was. Right now, it looks like a forgotten relic from a museum of bad decisions. Dust, rust, and what might be a bird's nest in the exhaust. But today, we're bringing this 80s icon back to its glory days. Why a Countach? Because it's the ultimate dream car. Posters of this beauty hung on every kid's bedroom wall, including mine. And today, I finally get to turn my childhood dream into a reality. We started by clearing decades of dust and debris. Honestly, I wasn't sure if I was cleaning a car or excavating an archaeological site. The engine was a disaster zone. Rust, leaks, and a smell that could clear a room. But underneath the grime was a legendary V12 waiting to be reborn. Sanding this car felt like uncovering art beneath layers of neglect. The sharp edges and iconic wedge shape started to shine through again. Of course, we went with the classic Lamborghini red. Watching that fresh coat of paint go on was like seeing the car come alive. You just can't beat the drama of a red Countach. The interior needed a full makeover. New leather seats, a polished dashboard, and yes, I even replaced the cassette player with a modern sound system. Don't hate me, purists, the V12 was rebuilt piece by piece. Every bolt, every gasket, every tiny detail. When we fired it up for the first time, it was pure music to my ears. The moment this car rolled out of the garage, it was like a phoenix rising from the ashes, a legend reborn. Even the neighbors came out to see what all the fuss was about. The first drive, unreal. The sound of the V12, the feel of the road, and the stares from everyone passing by. It was everything I dreamed of and more. This car isn't just restored. It's a statement. It's proof that with enough love, patience, and elbow grease, any icon can rise again. Restoring this Lamborghini Countach was the ultimate passion project. From forgotten icon to showstopper, this car is a reminder that legends never die. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me, what should I restore next? Until next time, keep chasing your dreams, one restoration at a time.